In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to use Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with the AirDrop on iPhone. In order to check that, first on our iPhone, we're gonna need to set the AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes. There we go. Once that is done, we should be able to go to, let's say, to the gallery. So we need to find whatever we want to transfer. Also keep in mind that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth has to be, of course, enabled on both devices. So let me just check if Bluetooth is on. Yes, it is. So now I'm gonna choose this photo over here, and then let's say I want to share it. We should be able to find the Quick Share option. Step on continue over here. And unfortunately, here we do not have our iPhone. We have a couple of different phones in here, but iPhone is not listed on this menu with nearby devices. So unfortunately, right now, as I'm recording this video, it is not possible to directly use Quick Share with AirDrop on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Of course, in the future, it might work, just right now it doesn't. And one of the ways to actually send the files is by using the QR code. So you can generate the QR code over here. Now I can open the camera on my iPhone. I'm gonna scan this QR code that I have in here. And if I scan it and open it in the browser, there we go. Then I should be able to open the link with the file or files that I tried to transfer. Of course, I can download it now on my iPhone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.